Looking for the best underseat carry-on luggage to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. American Tourist 4. This bag blew me away with its combination of functionality, space, and style. It's slightly larger than some of the other bags I tested, but the expandable feature makes it incredibly versatile. I was able to pack more than I expected, and the compression straps kept everything snug and in place. The spinner wheels were a dream, allowing me to glide effortlessly through airports and train stations even with the bag fully expanded. It fits neatly under the seat on most airlines. I particularly love the large front pocket, which gave me easy access to my travel documents and snacks. The interior is well designed with multiple pockets for separating clothes, shoes, and toiletries, and the bag's durable build reassured me that it could handle the wear and tear of frequent travel. The only thing I didn't love was that the zippers felt a little stiff at first, but after a few uses, they loosen up. Overall, the American Tourist 4 is an absolute winner for both short and long trips, and it's now my go-to underseat carry-on. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 best underseat carry-on luggage. It is important to note that choosing the right underseat carry-on luggage can make all the difference when traveling. After trying out these 6 bags, I can confidently say that they each offer something unique, whether it style, functionality, or durability. From the stylish and eco-friendly LY Bloom to the ultra-functional American Tourist or 4, there's an underseat carry-on for every type of traveler. Number 2. Calpac Luca Mini Carry-On. I immediately fell in love with the sleek design of this bag and how lightweight it felt. Even fully packed, it was easy to maneuver around the airport, and its soft-sided structure allowed me to squeeze it into tight spaces when necessary. The material is water-resistant, which gave me peace of mind when placing it on the floor of a busy terminal. What stood out most with the Luca was its organizational features. There are multiple compartments both inside and outside, making it easy to keep everything in its place. The zippers were smooth and didn't catch even when the bag was stuffed full. I also appreciated the luggage sleeve on the back, which allowed me to attach it to my larger suitcase for easy transport. The only real downside I encountered was that the bag's wheels didn't glide as smoothly on uneven surfaces, but on smooth airport floors, it worked just fine. The compact size, chic look, and ease of packing make the Calpac Luca an excellent choice for anyone who values both form and function. Number 3. Lily Bloom Designer Bag. This underseat bag really impressed me with its vibrant and eco-friendly design. Made from recycled materials, this bag not only looks great, but also feels like a conscious choice for the environmentally minded traveler. The colors and patterns are eye-catching, and I received several compliments while traveling. Despite its compact size, the Lily Bloom bag is surprisingly spacious. I was able to pack all my essentials for a weekend getaway, including 2 pairs of shoes. Thanks to the large main compartment, it also has several interior and exterior pockets, which kept my toiletries and small gadgets organized. The retractable handle worked smoothly, and the wheels made it easy to roll around the airport. One minor drawback I found was that the handle felt a bit flimsy compared to sturdier bags, and I was a little concerned about how it would hold up on longer trips. But for short flights or car trips, this bag is a fun and practical option that fits easily under most airplane seats. Number 4. Samsonite Spinner Underseater. This bag is a great all-rounder, and it came in handy on several business trips where I needed to stay connected. What immediately stood out was the built-in USB port, which allowed me to charge my phone without needing to hunt for outlets in crowded airports. It has a compact design but provides enough space to pack a weekend's worth of clothes along with my 13 inches laptop. The 4 spinner wheels on this bag made it a breeze to navigate through crowded airports. I loved how easily it rolled even on carpeted areas, and it didn't feel heavy at all when fully loaded. The padded laptop compartment was a big plus for me, since I often travel for work and I need to protect my devices. On the downside, this bag was a bit on the heavier side when empty, and while it fits under most airplane seats, I had to really shove it under on some flights, which made accessing my items during the flight a bit tricky. That said, it's a well-rounded bag for the tech-savvy traveler. Number 5. Travel Pro Max Light 5. I had high hopes for this bag due to its reputation for durability and lightweight design. I found the bag to be exceptionally light, making it easy to carry around the airport even when fully packed. The polyester fabric is also stain resistant and water repellent, which came in handy when I got caught in the rain outside of the terminal. One of the best features of the Max Light 5 is the rear strap, which allows you to secure it on top of a larger suitcase, making it a great option for those who like to travel with multiple bags. The interior compartment was large enough to fit my essentials, and there is a padded sleeve inside that fits a tablet. The exterior pockets are perfect for quick access to important items like boarding passes and snacks. However, I found the interior to be a little basic. It doesn't have as many compartments as I would have liked for separating things, and while it fits under most airline seats, it was a tighter squeeze on some smaller planes. Overall, it's lightweight and durable, but it lacks some of the organizational features that I appreciate in other bags.